Check out the storm glass. Look at it. Look at my crystals. Look at the actual snow outside. I mean, it's like uncanny, isn't it? I wish you guys could look at that detail right there. You see that? Look at those shreds. Look at those little lines. How freaking detailed is that? It's actually more detailed than what's on my window outside. If you have not seen my storm glass, if you're interested in learning anything about it, head to the website above. I talk all about it. I give you all the information on it. It's a super cool decoration. Thanks for watching.